Guys, my name is Blacksmith, and welcome to my first video ever YouTube. Just pretend I'm another YouTuber. And also, today I'm gonna be playing the first video ever YouTube, and it's my fifth birthday. So today I'm gonna do a little challenge that I made up. It's gonna be called the Creeper Challenge. Survive the creepers, and I'll probably spawn them in. Okay,
I'm a jerk.
All my heads and stuff, like creeper heads. Now let's turn on myself again. No, there we go. So I'm you have to survive them. It's pretty hard because creepers. Mouse. Okay, there. Okay, there. I'm gonna leave this.
Hey, I'm a jerk. Lucas is a jerk.
Hey, I ain't.
Hey. Hello, this is Prime Time Pokemon.
Oh God, no, not start with the Pokemon. That sucks.
No, you suck.
Get off of me.
Freddy, you like fighting to Freddy.
No, I don't. I hate it.
Then why do you have the game?
Because Lily likes it. Okay, there we go. And now I'm gonna spawn in a creeper. And I'm gonna spawn. So the object of the game is you're supposed to that's what I get. That's what I get for being a jerk and also spawning these crappy stuff. Let me turn on my mask, my creeper thing. So that's all for this video.
Lucas is gonna show.
Anyway, so why? Why is my life right now? Anyway, so I'm gonna be recording not so often. I'm only be recording like a little bit. And if you like my channel, please leave a like and subscribe. And then I will make more videos. So there you go. Leave a like. Another video. Bye.